guys, how's it going today? I wanted to make this video to show you how to use Canva to make content for your real estate business, any other business, or you can really use it for a lot of other things. You can use it to, like, say if you have like a Facebook or Instagram page, you can make like funny memes if you're into that. So you can really do a lot of things with Canva. Now there is a premium feature that you can access for like 13 bucks a month. There is also a free feature, and you can accomplish really anything you need to accomplish with the free feature, but with the premium feature, you can access a few more pictures and a few more options. We're just going to go ahead and dive into it. So if you want to create a design, you just go over here to the left-hand side, click Create a Design. For the sake of today's video, we're just going to go ahead and cover like social media posts. But as you can see right here, you can do logos, videos, presentations, infographics, business cards. You get the idea. There's a lot that you can do with Canva. So if you click on these right here, what it's going to do is it's going to size the image to the dimensions that you need for the specific platforms that you're going to be posting on. Now there also is a Twitter option as well. Right there, Twitter header and Twitter post. Now there's no current size right now for LinkedIn. So what I recommend on LinkedIn is 1200 by 628. Okay, so now we're open here. So if you want to get started, you just go over here to the left-hand side, and let's get started with a photo. So I'm going to go ahead and use a photo that I already used. We're going to size it up. It's not going to be perfect. This is going to be for demonstration purposes. There we go. So you can also add text as well. Now there is font combinations right here that are already pre-made. They look pretty cool. And you can also just click add a heading, subheading, or a little body of text, and it'll put that right over your image. You can also change the color of your text as well. So right there's black, right here's red, and you can also change the size right here. Say if I want to make it a little bigger. You can also change the size by dragging out the corner arrow, the corner little circle right there, and you can adjust the size. You can also drag your image, your text box out here, and you can make it bigger. So say if I drag it out a little bit there, and then now I make my text size bigger, a little bit too big, there you go. And it'll keep it in the same dimensions, but just make your text box bigger. Now, as you can see, this is kind of a little hard to read. So if you go up to the top right-hand corner here, you can click this button, and you can make the image in the background more transparent. Now, if you need to, you can also make your text transparent as well, right there. So that's a nice little cool feature to use. You can also change the font up here. So let's change it to this one right here. There you go. So yeah, you can change the fonts as well. Also, other things you can do is you can add like little bullets in right here with your text. You can like change the alignment of your text if you want it to the right or left. And you can also change like uppercase or lowercase right there. You can put spacing in. There's a lot of different things that you can do with it. You can also do duplicates right here in positions. So we're just going to go ahead and get rid of this. Now you can also add like little videos as well. So you can just like click on one of these little videos. There's also a way to add music in there as well to your little videos, and then you can still add the text and everything that you need to do as well. Go ahead and get rid of that. You can also add backgrounds. So you can always use the same background. Say if you're on Instagram, it's really important to have the same backgrounds to make your content look a little bit more professional. Another cool thing you can do is you can add elements. So let's just go with these like little butterfly wings right here as, you know, just an example. Another thing that you can do at the bottom of your image or your text box, you can click on these two little arrows right below it, and you can just kind of drag that around to wherever you want it. And you can change the position of your image or your text. So that's a nice little cool option. Another thing that I personally use it a lot for in Elements is you can add like little Facebook icons and stuff, and then you can put your little handle next to it. That way people can follow your social media. Another cool thing, if you go down to folders here, your logos are also shared here too. So you can put your little logo down in the bottom left-hand corner, and then you can use those elements to put the social media elements there, and then put your handle, and then you can basically have your own little watermark on your content. So that's a nice, cool little feature too. Also, if you can also add your own like little video clips and images right here in uploads. You can also go down here and click on this, and there's like embeds, pixels. You can use Jiffy to add like little GIFs into your design. You can also like add, say you want to add like a web link here. You can put links into like even YouTube videos and stuff too, Spotify music or iTunes. Also, if you're going to be using like a web link to your social media or something like that, unfortunately, when you do your downloads, you can't use a PNG file for that. You can only use like a PDF. So say if you're going to be making like a free download for somebody, you can put those web links in there in that PDF file. Unfortunately, you can't do it in a PNG file for like social media posting, which would be nice if we could. Maybe one day Canva will make that available. So when you go up here to download your design, there's different things you can do. I recommend the PNG file if you're going to be doing just like, regular content, like inspirational quotes and things like that. You can also do PDF files. You can also do video, GIFs, and animations. So let's click on animations here. You can also do the animated GIF from here as well. And you can do like different little things, like this one's fade, as you can see. There's rise, pan, breathe, and you can download it from there and have like little animations and stuff. So that's a nice, cool little feature to use for making like GIFs. So basically that's it. That's the basics. There's a lot more things that you can do with Canva. And if you guys would like to see, more detailed things on Canva, or you have questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you guys want to see videos on any other type of content, like tutorials or anything like that you guys need help with, feel free to leave that down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to make videos on that for you guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in with me today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get ready to cut this video off. Make sure you follow me on my social media. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn at AK Marketing Pros. Also, I have a YouTube channel now, so feel free to subscribe to me and turn on that notification bell so you get my content as it drops. And that's it for today, guys. Have a good one.